Now let's take an example of an ecosystem. We agreed that an ecosystem is a dynamic system that is made up of communities and all the non-living factors of its environment. Forest is a perfect example of a complex ecosystem. There is a large community of organisms, including trees, birds, small and large mammals, insects, and fungi. The non-living components of the ecosystem, which is the forest, include the following: the soil, dead leaves, water from the rain and streams, the rocks, and any other physical or chemical factors. And these non-living components of the ecosystem will influence the community of organisms. So it will also influence the ecosystem.